Welcome. Running an auto repair shop requires managing repair orders, scheduling appointments, tracking
Operating
inventory, and
an
communicating with customers. Without the right
auto
system, keeping everything
repair
organized can become
shop
challenging. That's where Shopmonkey comes in. Shopmonkey is a
efficiently
modern shop management platform designed to help auto
involves
repair businesses streamline
juggling
daily operations. It
various
allows shop owners and technicians to manage
tasks,
repair orders, schedule jobs, track parts and inventory,
managing
and handle invoicing from one centralized dashboard.
appointments,
With tools for workflow management, digital
tracking
inspections, and customer communication, Shopmonkey
repairs,
helps repair shops stay organized and operate more
ordering
efficiently. Let's get started.
parts,
So
and handling
handling
customer
customer
communications.
communications. As
As
businesses
businesses
grow,
grow,
these
these
tasks can
tasks can
become
become
more
more
time-consuming
time-consuming and
and
error-prone,
error-prone, especially
especially
without
without
the
the
right
right
tools.
tools.
Shopmonkey is a
ShopMonkey is a
comprehensive auto shop
comprehensive auto
management
shop
software
management software
designed to help you
designed to help you
streamline every
streamline every
aspect of your
aspect
business
of
in
your
one
business
seamless
in one
platform.
seamless
With
platform.
features that cater to
With
scheduling,
features that cater to
invoicing,
scheduling,
inventory management,
invoicing,
customer
inventory management,
communication, and
customer
more,
communication, and
Shopmonkey
more,
empowers auto repair.
ShopMonkey
Shop
empowers
owners and
auto repair
technicians
shop
to focus
owners
on what
and
matters,
technicians to
providing
focus on
top-notch
what
service to
matters,
customers.
providing
Whether you're a
top-notch service
small
to
independent
customers.
shop or
Whether you're
multi-location
a small
operation,
independent shop or
Shopmonkey offers the
multi-location
tools to
operation,
simplify and
ShopMonkey offers
optimize
the
your
tools to
workflow,
simplify and
increase shop
optimize your
efficiency,
workflow,
and
increase
enhance
shop
customer
efficiency,
satisfaction.
and enhance
In
customer
this video,
satisfaction.
we will guide you through the key
In this
features
video,
of
we will guide you
Shopmonkey
through the
and
key features
explain
of
how it can
ShopMonkey
help you
and explain
streamline
how it can help
your
you
auto repair
streamline your
shop
auto repair
operations
shop
in
operations in
2025.so.
2025.
For its key features and benefits,
So for
first
its
is
key
the
features and
appointment
benefits,
scheduling.
first is
And
the
calendar
appointment
management.
scheduling and calendar
Shopmonkey
management.
offers a powerful appointment scheduling
ShopMonkey
tool
offers a
that
powerful
allows
appointment
customers
scheduling tool
to book
that
online
allows
and helps
customers to
shop
book
owners
online
manage and
and helps
allocate
shop
technician
owners manage
schedules
and
with an
allocate
easy-to-use
technician
calendar
schedules.
view. You
With
can
an
quickly see
easy-to-use
available
calendar
time
view,
slots,
you can
ensuring
quickly
smooth
see available time
operations and
slots,
no overlapping
ensuring smooth
appointments.
operations
This
and no
reduces booking
overlapping
errors,
appointments.
optimizes technician
This
schedules,
reduces booking
and
errors,
minimizes downtime,
optimizes
allowing
technician
your shop to
schedules,
handle
and minimizes
more
downtime,
customers
allowing your
efficiently.
shop to handle
Another
more
key
customers
feature is the
efficiently.
repair order and job
Another
management.
key feature is the
Shopmonkey's
repair
repair order
order and
feature
job management.
allows you to create and manage
ShopMonkey's
orders
repair
from
order
start to
feature
finish. You
allows
can
you to
easily
create
add
and
labor,
manage
parts, and
orders from
services
start
to
to
repair
finish.
order,
You can
track
easily
progress,
add labor,
and communicate with
parts, and
customers
services
about
to
job
repair
status
order,
updates.
track progress,
This
and
increases
communicate with
accuracy
customers
and
about job
organization
status
by
updates.
keeping all repair
This
details
increases
in one
accuracy and
place. While
organization
offering
by keeping all
transparency to
repair
customers
details
with
in one
real-time
place,
updates
while offering
on their
transparency
vehicles'
to
repair
customers
progress.
with
Another
real-time
key
updates
feature
on their
is the
vehicle's
inventory
repair
and parts
progress.
management. Shopmonkey's
Another key
inventory
feature is
management
the inventory
system
and
helps you
parts
track
management.
parts usage, set reorder
ShopMonkey's
alerts,
inventory
and
management
maintain
system
optimal
helps
stock
you
levels.
track
The
parts
software
usage,
allows you to
set
quickly
reorder alerts,
view
and
available
maintain
parts,
optimal
track
stock
part
levels.
history, and order
The
supplies
software allows you
directly
to
from
quickly view
suppliers.
available
This
parts,
streamlines
track part
inventory
history,
control,
and order supplies
reduces
directly
overstocking
from
or
suppliers.
stockouts, and ensures that
This
you have the
streamlines
right
inventory
parts at the right
control,
time,
reduces
leading to fewer
overstocking or
delays in
stockouts,
service.
and ensures
Another
that
key
you have the
feature is
right
the
parts at
customer
the right time,
communication and
leading to
CRM.
fewer delays
With
in service.
Shopmonkey, you can easily manage customer
Another key feature is the
interactions through
customer
automated
communication and
reminders,
CRM.
text messages,
With
emails, and service
ShopMonkey, you
updates.
can easily
You can
manage
also
customer
store detailed
interactions
customer
through automated
profiles
reminders,
and service
text
histories
messages,
in the system.
emails, and
This
service
enhances
updates.
customer
You can
relationships
also
by
store
keeping
detailed
them
customer
informed
profiles
at
and
every
service histories in the
stage
system.
of the repair process and
This enhances
automating
customer
follow-up
relationships
reminders,
by keeping them
leading to
informed at
improved
every stage
retention
of the repair
and
process and
satisfaction.
automating
Another
follow-up
key feature
reminders,
is the
leading
invoicing
to
and
improved
payments.
retention and
Shopmonkey
satisfaction.
simplifies invoicing by automatically
Another key
generating
feature is
invoices
the
once
invoicing
repairs
and
are
payments.
completed. The system supports a
ShopMonkey
wide
simplifies
variety
invoicing
of payment
by
options,
automatically
including credit
generating
cards,
invoices
debit
once
cards, and
repairs are
cash
completed.
payments. This
The
speeds up
system
the billing
supports a wide
process
variety of
and
payment
ensures that
options,
payments are
including
tracked and
credit cards,
processed
debit
efficiently,
cards, and
helping
cash
you
payments.
maintain healthy
This
cash
speeds up the
flow and
billing
reducing
process and
administrative
ensures
work.
that payments
Another
are
key
tracked and
feature is the
processed
reporting
efficiently,
and analytics.
helping you
The
maintain
software
healthy cash
offers
flow
detailed
and
reports
reducing
on shop
administrative work.
performance, including sales data,
Another key
technician
feature is the
productivity,
reporting in
parts
analytics.
usage, and
The
customer
software offers
retention.
detailed
This
reports on
provides
shop
valuable
performance,
data to help you
including
make
sales
informed
data,
business
technician productivity,
decisions,
parts
optimize
usage, and
shop
customer retention.
operations, and drive
This
growth by
provides valuable
identifying
data to
trends,
help you make
opportunities,
informed
and
business decisions,
inefficiencies. So
optimize
why
shop
is
operations,
Shopmonkey a great
and drive
choice?
growth by
Shopmonkey is
identifying
a great
trends,
choice for auto
opportunities, and
repair shops
inefficiencies.
because it combines
So
all the
why is
necessary
Shopmonkey
features
a
for
great
efficient
choice?
business management into
Shopmonkey
one
is a great
user-friendly
choice for auto
platform.
repair
Whether
shops
you need to
because it
handle
combines
customer
all the
appointments,
necessary
track
features
repair
for
orders,
efficient
manage
business management
inventory, or
into one
streamline
user-friendly
billing,
platform.
Shopmonkey does it
Whether
all
you
in
need
a
to handle
seamless
customer
and
appointments,
integrated
track
manner.
repair
This
orders,
eliminates
manage
the need for
inventory, or
multiple
streamline billing,
software systems
Shopmonkey
and
does it all in a
simplifies shop
seamless and
operations.
integrated manner.
The software's
This
cloud-based
eliminates
nature
the need for
also
multiple
allows you
software
to access
systems
your
and simplifies
shop's
shop
data from
operations.
anywhere, whether you're on the shop
The
floor or
software's
working
cloud-based
remotely.
nature
Its mobile
also
app
allows
ensures
you to
that
access your
technicians
shop's
can
data
stay up
from
to date
anywhere,
with their tasks,
whether you're
making
on
the
the shop
entire
floor
team more
or working
efficient. With
remotely.
Shopmonkey,
Its
auto
mobile
repair
app
shop
ensures
owners
that
can
technicians can
focus
stay up
on
to date
improving
with their
customer
tasks,
satisfaction and
making the
growing their
entire team
business
more efficient.
rather than getting bogged
With
down
Shopmonkey,
in
auto repair
administrative
shop owners
tasks.
can focus
Furthermore,
on improving
Shopmonk's
customer
intuitive
satisfaction
interface
and
makes it
growing
easy for
their
shop owners
business,
and
rather than
employees to
getting bogged
learn and
down in
use the
administrative
software with
tasks.
minimal training. The
Furthermore,
platform's
Shopmonkey's
scalability
intuitive
makes
interface makes
it's
it easy
suitable
for
for
shop
shops of
owners
all
and employees to
sizes,
learn and
from
use the
single
software with
location
minimal training.
operations to
The platform's
multi-location
scalability makes
businesses.
it suitable for
So, if
shops
you're
of
looking
all
to
sizes,
optimize your
from
auto
single
repair
location
shop
operations to
operations,
multi-location
Shopmonkey is a
businesses.
must-have tool.
So if you're looking to
In
optimize your auto
2025,
repair
by
shop
streamlining
operations,
appointment
Shopmonkey is a
scheduling,
must-have
repair
tool in
order
2025.
management, customer
By streamlining
communication,
appointment
inventory
scheduling, repair
control, and
order
more,
management, customer
Shopmonkey
communication,
enables you to
inventory
increase
control, and
shop
more,
efficiency,
Shopmonkey
improve
enables you to
customer
increase shop
satisfaction,
efficiency, improve
and
customer
grow your
satisfaction,
business.
and grow your
So,
business.
with real-time updates,
So with
accurate
real-time updates,
invoicing, and
accurate
data-driven.
invoicing, and data-driven
Thank you for watching
insights,
this Shopmonkey tutorial.
Shopmonkey
Using a
empowers you
shop
to make
management
smarter
platform like
business
Shopmonkey
decisions
can help
and
auto
keep your
repair
shop running
businesses manage
smoothly.
operations more
So
efficiently,
start using
track repair
Shopmonkey
orders
today
accurately,
to boost
and
your
improve
shop's
overall customer
productivity and
service.
provide
If you
exceptional
found this video
service to your
helpful, please give it a
customers.
thumbs up and subscribe for more
So that's
tutorials on
basically
business
it for
tools,
this
service
video. So if you
management
find this
software,
video
and
helpful,
productivity
please hit like
platforms.
and subscribe.
Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next
Thanks.
video.